My name is Alex, and I'm an incoming freshman at Doherty Valley High School. This is my milestone 3, but I've started a new project, which is a ping pong ball launcher on top of a car. For this milestone, I've built the car part. As you can see, I don't have the ping pong ball launcher yet. So the technical components here, we have two motors on the bottom, and it's connected to a motor driver, and there's also ultrasonic sensor at the front. There's a 5-pack battery and Arduino board with a IR receiver on the top. This remote is used to control the car. So basically, here's my code for the car that runs using the IR remote and the transmitter, and I mean the receiver. So I have these buttons here. Basically, it sends a signal, a IR signal to this, and when it gets the signal, it can interpret it and see what buttons I'm pressing. Then it uses if statements to make actions. So I can make the car go forward, and then it can go backwards, and it can also turn, and I can also make it stop. Yeah, and basically the ultrasonic sensor isn't used in this code, but I also have a separate code here. Wait, this is actually a separate code. So this code, it uses the ultrasonic sensor to see if there's something in front, and if there is, it'll like stop it. Currently, the code's like I has like a bug, but yeah, basically the ultrasonic sensor uses a trig pin and an echo pin to determine like the distance, and that'll help see how much distance there is from the ultrasonic sensor, which can I use to stop and start the car. And some challenges I faced while building this was I didn't solder the motors correctly, so sometimes they would run and sometimes they wouldn't. Also, the motors would fall off sometimes from the motor driver, and I have to like replug them back in. Lastly, the IR transmitter, sometimes it doesn't receive the signals properly. Originally, it was like down here below the Arduino board, so it couldn't even receive signals if I was like on top like that. And also, it's still like I haven't fixed the issue completely, but I put it on top so that it can receive the signal better. And my next step will be to make the ping pong ball launcher part, and I'll basically put that on top of the car so it can drive around and like shoot ping pong balls.